Morning. Oops. Morning, guys. Mornings. How is everyone doing here? Happy Tuesday. Short week. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of bearish for today. Kind of bearish. SPY under 4.99. That's my main watch today. I don't love for any swings call for tech. Tech for me it's a little bit of overextended and the Q is weaker than SPY. Like that Friday close on the Q, um, engulfing candle, it's bearish. So I'm kind of bearish on the market, mostly on tech. But yeah, 430 rejection, 499 rejection. Those are my main watches for today. What are you guys watching today? What's your watch list? Okay, so we're ready. Gotta see Netflix, what Netflix gonna do. We wanna see Netflix holding 579, 580. I'm already on the FTX and UPS wins. What I'm doing now is kind of looking for trades that are not tech related, like mostly down stocks. Mm, I like more, my favorite charts right now are FTX and UPS. Affirm, that one's very weak, right? Affirm, but what on Affirm? To the downside, upside, what are you looking on that one? Mm, but yeah, we'll say a short there, 37, 38. Yeah, a short there. That's a good short, Affirm. AI, I don't care what AI is doing. I got out of AI. But yeah, Affirm I like for a play to the downside. Marble. Okay, Marble needs to hold here. If not, I'm getting out with that one. I need Avengers to hold. Bro, I'm gonna put it a little bit here. Yeah. Okay, Netflix. Netflix that plays that 580, 579 home. That's your break and retest. Yeah. So I'm not taking Netflix because I'm already in Netflix and I love what I'm seeing here. Let's see 530 how it's gonna react there, the Q. And 599 SPY. Those two are my main watches. I'm already in ARM. If it's not at my stop loss, I'm not even looking that one. Yeah, I think right now it's key to look for weak stocks. Like Affirm is very good for the downside. AMD is one that I'll be looking to play the downside, but after Nvidia earnings. IWN, my thought on IWN, you have it on my Discord. You have it on my Discord. I post what I was looking on IWN was the level there. You guys have it like from you have IWN like a 1 hour ago. Okay. You have IWM here. You have my what I'm looking there. What's the level that I'm looking there? I posted at 8:17, 19, so you have it over a 1 hour ago. Okay, Meta. I wanna see Meta holding, like really holding 486, 490. So I'm not even gonna look Netflix. I'm just gonna put alerts here. We wanna see Netflix holding Friday's low, and I'm gonna put an alert here, Friday's high. Let's see what Apple is doing. Okay, Apple super weak, very weak. But we wanna see Apple holding Friday's low. Okay. I like that reaction there on the Q, so I'm gonna try to play the downside here. Um, let's see. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, not on this one. I wanted to try. Wait. Sorry, I forgot to select my groups for today, but I'm in shorts on NQ. Um, okay. Yeah, I like that reaction on 4:30. Okay, I like that. Let's see if we're losing this morning low here. Yeah. Okay, ARM, it's a 117. That was my stop loss, so I'm gonna get out. Okay. Okay, I like that. Let's see if we're breaking this morning low. If it breaks this morning low, it's done so. Okay. Man, I'm super strong. That's weird. Okay, come on, give me that. Okay, we like that. Marble, another one that is dying. Let's see. Yeah, I'm getting out of that one too. Okay, Apple is super weak. Let's see what Microsoft is doing. It's looking weak too. Okay, Netflix is rejecting there. Let's see if it's gonna bounce here or not. Make it or break it here, Netflix. Beautiful. That was a perfect entry there. Perfect entry on the Q put or short. I think Apple's gonna go to 180, like I said last week. Under 184, the next big resistance on Apple was 180, is 180. Yeah, beautiful rejection here. Beautiful. I'm gonna sell one because why not? Holding one. I'm gonna keep holding as long as we are, like the Q is under the VWAP or it's making lower low and lower highs. So right now it's right at, this is pre-market low. So 427.50. If lose this one, the next one is around 427, and then 425.30. Yep. Okay. I'm about to get out of Netflix. Let's see how this 5-minute candle is gonna close here, but it looks pretty bearish. Yeah, I'm getting out of Netflix. Damn. I think I'm done for today. This futures play, or if anybody got that rejection on the queue, was so perfect. I don't need anything else. Anybody on the queue with me? That was so beautiful. So, so beautiful. Nice, nice. Awesome. Awesome. Nice. 1000%? 111? That's a lucky number. That was just too easy. Too easy. Nice. Spy. Awesome. Yeah, Spy I had 4.99 and the Q 4.30, but the Q just by looking at this rejection candle here, the 5 minute rejection candle here, that was my like yeah, I gotta go with this rejection here. Yeah, that was my green light to enter this short. That 5 minute candle inverse hammer. Or shooting star, what's the name? No, that's not a shooting star. I don't know. Nice, nice. Yeah, you pretty much could have gone with any tag but meta. What looking at that Q reaction and tag being so weak, like QQQ being weaker than Spy the past few days. Good morning. Look, Apple. Apple keeps going lower. 180. 180. That's my PT on Apple. Yeah. 180. Can even go a little below 180. Mm. Now Meta is starting to lose it. What's Google doing? Good, surprisingly holding. Microsoft 402, 403, important level here for Microsoft to hold. If not, 400 is the next one. Yeah, it was expected, right? Like at least, like I said it before the market open, I'm bearish. At least on tech. Like not at least on tech, especially on tech. If we see Microsoft, like Microsoft being bear here, like going lower, I think the Q is gonna go to 425.30. Even if it bounce here, I still think the Q is gonna go to 425.30. I'm getting out because it's too close to support, too far from the VWAP, so I can see bouncing here to the VWAP, maybe rejecting there. That's another entry if you want to scalp there, but I can see Microsoft maybe holding here and it can give us a bounce. That was 12K. I'm super happy. Like we were done in like how much? Like 10 under 10 minutes? Or in 10 minutes? Yeah, I'm very chill. I'm kind of used to it. Like, I don't want to be like cocky, but it's just trading. No, it's too late to enter that. It's too late. Wait until it bounces to the VWAP if you wanna play a short there. But I don't know if that it's the queue is gonna give you that because Microsoft is losing it here. But the entry was that rejection of 430. Like, don't ask me if it is too late or when to enter because I'm very picky with my entries. So for me, it's you either if you want to play the short, any short, for me, you gotta enter at the top. If you want to play calls, you gotta enter at the bottom. Right here, there's no entry. There's no entry there. Oh, fuck. Mm, 4:30? Very easy, guys. Like, again, um, go to my Discord. Like, you guys have it here. Very easy. So, look, my plan on Spy bounce to 499. That Friday's low. That's a daily resistance or support. On Friday was support. 499, I was looking for a rejection, or if act as support, I will wait for a retest and play the upside. For the Q, exactly the same thing, but 430. 430 was Friday's low. Um, that support that was support there and it was resistance before. So 430, I was looking for a rejection there or again a break, retest, and play the upside. Very, very simple. And I came here, I even post a few like stocks to watch for today, but on my mind, like I said it before the market opened, I said my main watches are SPY and the Q, SPY 499, Q 430. That's it. That was everything that I had on my mind to play today. Keep it simple. Yeah, put for Microsoft, it's awesome. Like that, this candle here, clear rejections, right? 403 was your support, rejecting that level, or you can say it was rejecting pre-market high or yesterday high. I said it like 1,000 times. Every time you open the day, like you open under previous day low, that's bearish. Like here, SPY and the Q. Clear example of that. That's basic technical analysis, right? So if we go with SPY, Friday low, we open under Friday low. That's bearish. Like you don't even need to think about anything. That's bearish. The same with the Q. We open the Q open under Friday's low. The Q is even more like better because it opened under Friday low. It opened here 428.50. Friday low is around 430. When go all the way up to 430, that's Friday's low, and show you a clear candlestick that is rejecting that level. That's your entry. No, I only look chart. I'm mainly like technical analysis trader. I only look charts, nothing else. Again, guys, keep it simple. You don't need anything else. You don't need level 2, you don't need the what's the name of the thing that everyone is using right now that it has like the bubbles? I don't remember, but I see it all over YouTube. You don't need that. You only need levels and understanding the trend. You only need to understand or get very, very good reading the charts. What's a firm doing? Yeah, it's looking pretty bearish. I think that's a safe um put play, swing put play. Yeah, under 38. Yeah, that's a safe put play. I'm not gonna take it, but I can see it like easy play there. You enter here or you wait until bounce, but I will enter here. Your stop loss is 38, and you just give it time. And that's it. I think a firm is gonna go lower, even though it looks right now that it wants to bounce. And I can see the market bouncing now a little bit, at least tech, because Microsoft is trying to hold for 400 and the Q is very close to 425.30 or 425, which is the level that I see that could act as support. We have it here. It was support here, support rejection. So 425.30 around there. If the Q cannot hold that level, the next major level I see is 423.50 and 423. But I would not enter here expecting for lower move. I will, if you want to enter, wait for a bounce. Meta is holding very, very good. Even though, yeah, it looks bearish, but it's holding very, very good. Compared to the rest of the market, holding. Yeah, that one, book map, whatever it calls. Watch AMD 164.50. That's a big major level here of support on AMD. If breaks that level, the next big support is around 158, 158.50, and then 150. But here, big support for AMD. JP Morgan, let's see. Oops. Yeah, it looks like a 3-hour play. Yep. Yeah, 3-hour play to the upside. Okay, so right now I don't see anything to trade. If you caught that Q rejection, please be done with your day. You made good money. That was a perfect A plus setup trade. You don't need anything else. Tesla. Morning. Um, yeah, clear rejection of yesterday of Friday high. Difficult to say here where Tesla is gonna go because right now it's right at support. So if you see it holding to like, I would not trade Tesla today. Why? Because one, Tesla, it's bearish because it's under Friday's low, right? But it right now is right at support. And on Thursday, it gave you a bullish engulfing candle. So I cannot say, like, I cannot tell what direction Tesla is gonna go, even though it looks bearish. So where it is right now, I think Tesla can go to either way. So for me, Tesla, the entry was at morning high. But that's a little, obviously, it's a little bit difficult to say because you look this 2 5 minute candle. That's very difficult to enter. The next entry was here, but what it is right now, I would not trade Tesla here. It's kind of late for me, at least. Like the setup that I looked at, it looks good, like risk to reward wise. It's by this VWAP reaction. But again, I will not trade this because the Q is right at support, obviously can go lower, but I just don't, because I'm very picky with my entries. I don't like how a SPY is trying to hold here, even though it looks bearish because it's rejecting VWAP and it's making lower highs, but I still don't love it. Yeah, selling premium on Nvidia, yeah, could be a good move. I will go way under, I'm sorry, under 600. I know you will not, 600 is too close for Nvidia. Nvidia earnings can give you easy 600, so it's too close. You gotta go with way out of the money, something that Nvidia cannot move in 2 days. I think 600, let's just say Nvidia have bad earnings or bad guidance, Nvidia can easily go to 600 and you're gonna get screwed. So if I be looking for to sell premium or to buy premium on Nvidia, I will go with calls. I know calls right now are down because Nvidia is bearish, but I will prefer to go to like 1,000, the 1,000 strike. I think less likely that Nvidia is gonna go higher because it's been high so much. I'm not saying that it's not gonna go higher. Just like I like more the risk to reward selling calls around 1,000 strike on Nvidia. Then 600 puts for me is too close. You gotta pay attention to what stocks you're trading and how that stock move. Nvidia can easily give you a 200 move on earnings. Like coin, right? Like I made over $2,000 just with premium on coin. But why? Because I got coin, like, let's see what day, because I don't remember. I know it was the day before earnings, right? So earnings were on the 15th, or I got it here, right, on Wednesday, I think. Let me check. Let me recheck that. The 14th. The 14th. Yeah, on Wednesday. So I got it. I got the 200. I sold the 200 calls on coin. Why a 200? Because my next big major resistance and all-time high was around 190, right? So 190 for any stock to break all-time high needs more than one touch. So I knew if I bought on Wednesday, the earnings were on Thursday. Yeah. Even if it gap up, I knew coin needed a little bit of time to break 190. And that's why I got 200, the 200. I know 200. I mean, I bought the 200 calls. Yeah, I was selling the 200 calls. I got in on the 14th, and it was around 150, 157. I don't know, under 160. And I got the 200. So that was 6 point out of the money with a stock that don't really move 100 points. At least in 1 day or 2 days. Watch Google. Google is holding very, very, very good. And Meta. You can sell before. I held until expiration because I was gonna get the 100. I wanted the 100% premium. I wanted all my premium. I had no reason to sell before the contract expiring because coin was way under 200. That's that's risky, but coin was too far from 200. IWM is under 200, but it has a gap to Friday's low. So this is a very like interesting level here where IWN is. If you see a rejection here, you can play it down to 197.70. But if you see it like holding really good and the Q and SPY bounce, and you see it holding 2 days high, it could move higher and fill the gap. Okay, so Apple is pretty much at 180. Another one that I could bounce here, and with a Q holding here, we can have a little bounce here. SPY definitely stronger than the Q because it's in the middle of nowhere, but it didn't want it to go to the next support. So we can say maybe this 496 support, maybe. Yeah, here. That's why SPY is kind of stuck there. Yeah, we can say 496. But yeah, I'm pretty much done. I'll be here with you guys, but I made over 12K, so I don't need anything else. And that was fast. And I'm super happy with my trading because um it's very important to me that being green, but we being green with a good trade. Because I've been green in the past, but I've been like, but if I was green over trading or had a bad entry or I was feeling FOMO, I don't like those days, even if I end up making money. But days like today that I had a plan, follow my plan, and I just trust my levels and my plan, and I just went for it, and the plan worked out perfectly, those are the best day. And also ending the day, like finishing my day in like 15 minutes, 10 minutes, that's the life. That's how you want to trade. Yeah, same, right? If every day was like today, that would be so easy. That would be so, so easy. Look at Q, like the Q keeps losing in here. No, I'm not on a firm. I'm not trading on firm. I don't have a target, no. Just look for the next daily support. That should be your target. Next daily support. Okay, watch meta here. I think if meta cannot hold 470 or Friday's low, that's a put play because it's rejecting Friday's low. That could be a put play here. Kind of feel like trying here the Q with just with micros, like a very, very small position. But no. I think with time you can get a bigger move on a firm, but just keep in mind the entire market's gonna move on Nvidia earnings. Mhm. Long or short on what? Look, meta. I think it's gonna like die here. If the Q loses this 430 level, even though both the Q and Spy looks bearish, I don't know if I like this entry with a normal size. I was thinking on getting micros here to play the downside on Spy, but that's too late. Mm, mm, mm. Yeah, anybody got an entry here on Spy? This reaction here, VWAP 90 MA reaction, clear 5 minute candle reaction also. Okay, let's see what my FDX is doing. Nothing. UPS. Ooh, UPS. Love this FDX and UPS play. Love it. You guys have these two trades or plays on my Discord also. FDX and UPS. I'm already in swings on both. Okay. Okay, so yeah, love FDX. That's my favorite one right now. Apple bouncing out of 180. Mm, what's Microsoft doing? Oh, yesterday I started playing pickleball and I love it. It was so much fun. Need to practice a little bit more. I'm playing it today also and tomorrow. That's my new hobby. Google rejecting here also might be a good entry for puts, because it's rejecting Friday's low. Microsoft rejecting 400. Apple trying to hold here. It could go a little bit lower, so we could see like Apple could go a little bit lower here, or maybe just stay around here. I kind of want to see a little bit of consolidation here on Apple. If I see that, we could play a little bounce here on the Q. I'm looking for the entire gap above, the huge gap that it has above, and it has earnings in like 2-3 weeks, and it's been consolidating around 235. Mm. I want to see the Microsoft holding 400. Yeah, yeah, 400. Look, that's daily support and resistance, and it was support pre-market support. Yeah, that's a big move, huge move on FDX. I'm expecting a move to at least the gap resistance. So to at least 255 on FDX. So my first PT will be this little 240, 241 almost, this little gap here. And then, but my main one is 255 and then the gap. And UPS, what I'm looking here, I pretty much got an entry around here, but for UPS, you want to wait for this. You want to wait for a break of 149.50 or 150, and then retest, and then you wait for a higher, like another higher leg. Again, everything you guys have it on my pre-market analysis on my Discord. And you have the links to my Discord down below. UPST, UG, confirm, UG. I think a firm with time could go back to 25. A firm had earnings already. Okay, yeah. Let's see how much are the puts here for like 2, 3 weeks out. For the 34 strike. Oh, for 28th of March. 35. The 36 for the 28th. The 36 strike for the 28th. I think is a good one. Put. I think you're gonna have to be patient here if you're playing puts because this thing is trying to hold. And your stop loss, it will be 38. I'm gonna go with a long play here with micros. It's gonna be very for very, very small. Let's see. Wait. Give me 1 sec. Um, that's what I'm looking here. These hold on SPY, but the Q is looking like it wants to go lower. Okay, I don't like that anymore. Let's see. So the Q is holding 425. Let's move this. Okay. Microsoft is trying to hold here, and same with Apple. Google also, but I think Google is not looking too hot because it's rejecting Friday's low. And Meta is looking very bearish. If cannot hold pre-market low, it's done so. Okay, I'm gonna go with few micros here. Only 4. Very, very small play. I'm not looking for anything like big, only like a bounce maybe to the VWAP, and then I'll see how it's reacting there. Okay, I like that. That looks beautiful. Let's see the retest of the VWAP. I like this hold. What I'm looking here for a bounce because I like how the Q is holding, Apple is holding, Microsoft is holding. Again, I'm not looking for a big move, just a bounce to VWAP. I want to see this candle closing stronger. If close red or yeah, I don't want to see this long wick here at the top. I think Nvidia is gonna go lower, honestly. But who knows? It's too high, too much. But again, that doesn't mean anything. Nvidia could move like $1,000, not a thousand, but like $100, $200 easy. Okay, that's looking bearish. Let's see. That looks like a bear flag, so I'm out. Okay, if SPY lose this level here, the next one is 494. Little bit above 494.50 or 494. And yeah, I'm done for today. Yeah, over 12K. Again, I don't need more. More than happy with this. I'm done, guys. I'm done. Yeah. So very easy play here. Beautiful, beautiful, perfect entry. Super happy if you guys got it with me. If not, well, next time. So I'm done for today. I'm not gonna keep trading. There's no need to keep trading here. And I will say for you guys, don't keep trading. Just close your broker and you're done. So see you guys mañana. I'm done. Bye.